Hey kids, JD here. I can't lie, I've been having problems with one or two of the recipes. The directions have been a little unclear because they're a little sparse. So today, we're going to go to cooking, carving, scarfing for real biker food that it should be impossible for anyone to mess up. And something so American that even Gordon Ramsay couldn't make it into some frou-frou nastiness. Real biker grilled cheese sandwiches. But before we get started, if this is more than your first time watching this video, you need to hit that subscribe button. Because after all, you liked it enough to come and watch another one, right? Hit the like, leave comments, hit me up on social media. Let's go. So as always, we're going to read the recipe verbatim and see how it works out. Put a thin slice of cheese between thin slices of buttered bread, adding a little French mustard for seasoning. Dip sandwiches in beaten egg and milk, and fry in hot bacon fat, turning only once. This didn't say anything about bacon in the ingredient list. The hell with this. Let's get cooking. Now we've created the perfect, absolutely perfect grilled cheese sandwich. And here it is. Here you go. It's bacon sandwiched inside of bacon with a dollop of sriracha. This is the greatest grilled cheese sandwich ever. Perfect. Couldn't be any better. So now a few of you out there are going to say, wait a minute, this is supposed to be grilled cheese. I don't see any bread. I don't see any cheese. What's the story? You know what? I'm going to become a vegan, blame you for murder, rape, and unsubscribe from your channel. Well, cool thy nerves, commie. We're going to show you exactly that. All right. This one fell apart during cooking, but cheese, bread, butter in there, egg milk on the outside, and bacon everywhere. Let's see what happens. It's entirely possible. This is the single most unhealthy thing I have ever eaten. But since I've lost over 80 pounds, everything's delicious. So, however, in the end, there can be only one. And that one is the sandwiched cheese sandwich. Note, bacon. Note, cheese sandwich. If this does not cause God himself to send the angels down here and to take me in gratitude, so I don't have to endure any more of this nonsense, I will be disappointed. All right, this is actually good enough. I don't feel that disappointed. That's good, but let's double up on the bacon. Double layer of bacon. Definitely required. Is it a real biker recipe? Bacon turns nearly everything into real biker. Just that one ingredient does it all. And speaking of all, I want you to do all the things. Hit that subscribe button. Leave comments below. Hit that like. Check me out on social media. Links in description. I'm JD. Delicious. You know, I don't know if this is keto approved, but seriously, keto can go to hell for one night. This is that good. Stop making that noise. What the hell's wrong with you? I could see where somebody might want to do mustard if you like mustard. I don't, so I don't use it, but it would definitely do something to it. However, in the 70s, they did not have sriracha. If they had, mustard would have died out by now. Now all we have left is bacon. Have to do this the old-fashioned way. Oh, this is good. All right, well, I'm sure you don't want to see me do the rest of this, so have a good one.